Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your ARLO Pro 5 camera. To replace the battery, you want to first open the case. To do so, press firmly on the button on the bottom until you see it pop out. Then use your fingers to get it out of there. After which you can pull the old battery out, though it may require some force. And then take your other battery and put it in. Just make sure that the pins align with the little bits. And then push it in until you hear it properly lock in. Then make sure that this part aligns with the bottom of this. And just again slide it back in, though you will need to push it in with a bit of force until you hear a click. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.